Hi, I'm Lui. I'm a student from Polytechnic Dixon. In this video, I'm going to show how to do the calibration for oscilloscope and discuss some safety precautions. In fact, calibration is one of the safety precautions that need to be done before start measuring so that the data that you obtain from your measurement is accurate. So first, switch on the oscilloscope. Second, connect the probe to the channel 1 input connector. Step 3. Touch the hook tip to the CAL and crocodile clip to the ground. But for digital oscilloscope, you can opt whether to connect or not connecting the crocodile clip to the ground. Step 4. Make sure the mode same with the input. Step 5. Select a certain volt per diff and time per diff value to get a suitable display. Step 6. On the display, it will show a value of peak-to-peak voltage based on the value on CAL. Here, it should be 2 volt peak-to-peak and 1 kHz. At screen, the waveform will always appear as a square wave, only for the calibration. To calculate a voltage peak-to-peak, the formula is total division of peak-to-peak times volt per diff. As you can see, there is 0.5 volt per diff and 4 division of peak-to-peak. So, there is 2 volt peak-to-peak in this signal. Next, to find the frequency, we need to get the period of waveform to complete one cycle. The formula is total horizontal division or cycle times time per diff. Then, inverse it 1 per t to get the frequency of the signal. So, there is 1 kHz frequency in this signal. Make sure your probe has correctly compensated. A poorly adjusted probe can make the measurement less accurate. Make sure the displayed signal is in square wave. Make sure the selection mode is same with the input. Make sure the signal is displaying the CAL value. If 2, 3, 4 is not achieved, send the oscilloscope to repair. In order to adjust vertical scale for the waveform of the display, volt per diff knob will be used. Then, time per diff knob is being used to adjust the horizontal scale for the trace.